Hey Arby's, y'all definitely know how to turkey. It's officially turkey season and I had to come try Arby's new deep fried club sandwich. I got some curly fries. But this is the true star of the show. Arby's deep fried turkey club. Already know this is about to be bussin'. Turkey, bacon, mayo, lettuce, tomato, and cheese on a brioche bun. That is absolutely delicious. The best part, I don't have to wait until Thanksgiving to have my turkey. Tastes like Thanksgiving. It tastes like your favorite Thanksgiving baked apple pie. Add curly fries, thank me later.